vector product, that is we are multiplying a vector with another vector in such a manner so that the result is also a vector quantity. So this is vector product. And how it has been defined? It has been defined, if I have to find the two vectors A cross B vector, if you have to find it, and let's say A vector is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and B vector is x dash I cap plus y dash j cap plus z dash k cap. So A cross B is going to be equal to determinant. Over here we write I cap, j cap and k cap over here, and then we write x, y, z over here, and over here coefficients of these, that is x dash, y dash and z dash. Probably you will do determinants. This is what you call as determinants. And you will do subsequently in your mathematics classes also. So we can find the determinant of this and we can find what is A cross B. So when we have a vector product of these two vectors, the result is going to be a vector quantity in terms of I cap, j cap and k cap. Let's take one example. Suppose over here we have A vector as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap, and vector B is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Suppose these are two vectors. So how we can use this over here? So A cross B is going to be determinant. Over here we write as I cap, j cap, k cap. These two lines, they represent determinants. So coefficient of this, first we write of the first vector, if you to find A cross B, then the coefficient of first will be written over here. So it is 2, 3, 5, and then is a B vector. Coefficients of I, j and k will be written 3, 2 and 4. If there is no term, let's say in k cap, so then you are going to write 0 over here. You are not going to write 1 over here. Similarly, there could be a missing term in j cap or I cap. So whatsoever the missing term over there, you can write simply as 0 only. So how to find the value of this? The value of this is found as, that is A cross B. Once again, it is, you write I cap, make two lines. Once again, it is determinant only. You miss this column and you miss this row. So what is left is 3, 5, 2, 4 combination is left. That is, you miss this column, you miss this row. We are talking about the I cap. So you miss this column, you miss this row, and write rest of things. So it is going to be 3, 2, 5, 4. Then minus j cap. This goes plus, minus, and so on. This is a 3 by 3 determinant. It has 3 rows and it has 3 columns. Minus j cap, once again the same thing is written over here. You miss this column, j cap is over here, so you miss this column which has j cap, and you also miss the row which has j cap. So this and this is ignored. Rest is 2, 3, 5, 4. So it is 2, 3, 5, 4. This is plus, minus, and once again a plus, that is k cap. So it is, you miss this row, you miss this column, and rest is 2, 3, 3, 2. So this may seem difficult at the first go, but through practice 1 or 2 questions, you find that this is very easy. So this is I cap. So now what you do is this into this minus this into this. So it is 3 into 4 minus 5 into 2. Now it is a bracket. Now there is no more determinants. Minus j cap, same thing, this into this, that is 2 into 4 minus 5 into 3. Plus k cap, 2 into 2, this into this, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. So this comes out to be I cap, 12 minus 10 minus j cap, this is 8 minus 15 plus k cap, 4 minus 9. The answer will be negative also, that doesn't matter. So this is I cap. So I cap 12 minus 2, that is 2i cap, minus 8 minus 15. So this is going to be minus 7 minus minus plus. So this is going to be plus j cap plus. So this is going to be minus 5. So this is going to be minus 5k cap. So A cross B we have a vector quantity in terms of I cap, j cap and k cap. And if we have two vectors which are lying in this plane, let's say a vector is here and b vector is also lying, suppose in xy plane, so the resultant is going to be, that is the resultant vector a cross b is going to be perpendicular to both of these vectors. That is, the resultant vector is going to be perpendicular to the plane in which these two vectors they are lying. So now perpendicular to be both ways. Suppose a and b now they are lying on this surface. So a cross b resultant, it could be coming out also and it could be in minus k cap direction also. So what is going to direction of a cross b? So for that we use our right hand thumb rule. We curl our fingers from the first vector to the second vector through the smaller angle and we take out our thumb, that is thumb will give the direction of a cross b. Like over here, if we have to find a cross b and this is a smaller angle, so we take right hand, we curl our fingers from the first vector to second vector. We are going from a to b, we are not going from b to a. We are going from a to b and we take out our thumb, so thumb is into this plane of paper or plane of board, so it is going to be inwards. And if we have to find b cross a, so we shall be curling our fingers of right hand from b to a and take our thumb out, so the resultant vector is going to be perpendicular to this plane of paper or plane of board. So this way we can find the direction also. But when we find a cross b, it has both the things. It has a magnitude also. From here we can find the magnitude also and we can find the direction also.